Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't eject USB or external drive in Windows 11, 10. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Copy command from description. Select USB drive or external drive, click End Task. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.